Hey guys, sorry to disturb you. I'm trying to access my Zoho Mail, but for some reason they updated it, and I'm having a difficult time accessing it. Um, I've got this kind of thingy that shows me that they've updated it, so I've either closed it. There you go. And for some reason it's lagging behind. No, I don't know. Maybe it's because of they updated and they've got lots of bugs in the system. Even if I click on the refresh the page, so it goes back there. So I click on this link where it says try the new version. So it just goes around in circles and it tells me that we'll be right back. I'm not used to these things with Zoho, really. So I refresh it again and again, and it ain't working. Just wanted to share it with you guys and see if you have the same thing. Otherwise, if not, please advise how I could fix this. Thank you for watching. Bye.